In this video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Lovable app to the Google Play Store step by step. So first, open Lovable and go to your project. As you can see, I have my project here. Make sure your project is already published. If it's not, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Once it's published, copy your site URL. Now go to Google and search for a website that can convert your web app into a mobile app. There are many of them, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use AppMySite. So open AppMySite and click on Start for free. Once the site loads, click on Create New App. Here, give your app a name. I'm going to type Lovable Test. Then, under App Type, choose Web to App. This will convert your web-based project into a mobile version. In the next field, paste your Lovable site URL. This is the link we copied earlier. After that, click Create App. You can now choose a color scheme for your app interface. I'll choose orange, but you can select any color that fits your design. Click Create App again to confirm. After a few seconds, your dashboard will load. On the left side, click on Preview. This section lets you see how your app looks on mobile devices. You can toggle between Android and iPhone views to test both. As you can see, my Pixel Studio app is showing up here. I can scroll through it, open the Contact tab, and everything is working smoothly, exactly like the website. Now, to actually generate the app file, go to the Download section on the left and click Build App. AppMySite will start building your APK file, which is the Android app format. Depending on your plan, this process might take a few minutes. Once your build is complete, click Publish from the left menu. Under this section, you'll see options for both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Since we're publishing to Android, click Publish under Google Play Store. This will redirect you to the official Google Play console page. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to continue. If you don't have a developer account yet, you can create one. After signing in, upload your APK file that you generated from AppMySite. Then fill out the required details. Once everything is filled in, click on Submit for review. Google will verify your app, and once it's approved, it will appear on the Google Play Store, ready for users to download. And that's it. That's how you can convert your Lovable app into an Android app and publish it on the Google Play Store. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Lovable and mobile app tutorials.